Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, please click like, share, and subscribe. I always wait till the end and I forget, so I'm trying to get better at it. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel and the journey. In this video today, we're going to go over Bitcoin, what's kind of going on with the market, what my guess is going to happen next, and what TA is currently telling us from what it's looking like out there in these turbulent ass markets. All right, let's get right into it. So as we see, Bitcoin did have a basically triple, quadruple bottom touch. So it could signify a reversal. Like, look, we've now basically created this resistance right here, or sorry, this support right here. And it's looking like it's a good line because look, it touched it once. We've got one, we've got two, we've got three, and we've got four. So at this basis, it means that a lot of, I always hear this. All the YouTubers used to go, oh, the bulls and the bears. Well, yeah, that's what's happening here. What's really happening here is the bears have pushed it down to here, and then the bulls stopped it. And then every time the bears keep pushing, the bulls are like, nope, nope, let's keep it right here. Like, they literally did it 4 times, like we just said. All right, let's do the biggest one. So this is probably that signifying point that was like, okay, if it crashed that or lost that, I would have shorted it, but I didn't. Thank God, because it literally topped it here. I didn't see a good sign of an entry, and it stopped right here. So no shorting and no long, and I'm just kind of waiting in the market to see where it stops. I mean, because look, here we've already got diversions happening. Do you guys see how this and this are the exact same height? Here, let me show you what I do usually. And I do love to use the RSI. So like from here to here, RSI stayed the same. See how it just stayed the same? But then here, the price went down. So there's some divergence that doesn't give us an exact decision on what type of divergence is about to happen, but it does mean that some sort of big move will be signifyingly coming ASAP. It could be an upper and a down. We don't know right away. None of the other indicators are really kind of giving us a good idea, right? Especially even like volume. It's not necessarily showing where it's going to go next. But what we do know is that it has a higher probability to go up thanks to specifically this support line right here. Right, and as long as it doesn't break this line, then it should be a positive thing. It might even be able to do this, and then we'll get something like this. And as long as it does that, we start buying. Right, honestly, if it breaks out of like this line here, I would start buying, just because then it has a probability to keep going up. Right, but keep watching the market. Even if we look at some of the other times, again, it's not showing anything critical. There is not any sort of big divergence that I see that will give me the decision to go, okay, I'm going in or out, or I'm going for a short or a long. That's the biggest thing. But where we are right now, it's still a pretty healthy stop for a nice. Like, here is the good news though. I don't know if you saw the video I did 2 days ago. We talked about that we needed a pullback. And if you really think about it, this is the healthiest pullback that could have happened. We went all the way overbought. Right, and then it went all the way down here. It reached the oversold section, stopped itself, and now it's stabilized. So to me, this looks like the healthiest pullback I've seen in Bitcoin in a long time. So as long as that continues, in a sense where this is the end of that pullback and it still has a chance to keep going, that would be awesome. Now, if you saw the video, where are we at? There it is. We did a fib retracement together, and we see here it still hasn't hit the 0.23, the 0.5, or the 0.68. So that is also still potential for the bears to push it down to that. So just be very, very cautious. Keep watching the market. Let's see what happens, and let's see if that pullback was enough. And if it was enough of a pullback to get our steam started again, we could see 45 by the end of the week before Christmas, hopefully, but we don't know. We don't know yet. So let's just keep watching. Let's see if there's some sort of confluence or some sort of divergence that occurs that will then give us the decision on where to go next. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe trading. Follow the 10 Moses commandments. I like them. 10 crypto amendments. Please double check them. Please think about them as you're trading. I know I haven't done a meme token in a couple days, but that's because this big market is really critical right now, because that's what's going to determine how much money will flow into the meme markets. And that will also give me a decision on which meme markets to take a risk on, because if there's more money flowing in the meme market, there's going to be a higher probability that more of them will hit 1,000, 100, 2,000x. So just be cautious, be consistent the next couple of days, and keep watching the shit out of this market. I'll try to get you guys updates when I can. Oh, like, share, and subscribe. When we get to 2,500, we're going to do a giveaway. So help me get there, and let's get somebody some free money to trade with. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day.